Hey friends, did you ever wonder how are you cleaning your photopolymer stamps? Well, this is our Stampin' Scrub. You may not have ever heard of it, but there's lots of ways to clean your stamps. And I have to say, the Stampin' Scrub is the best way that I have found. But I do love the cloths as well. But I wanted to just do a quick demonstration on the Stampin' Scrub. So first, I have two stamps ready to go here. I have Poppy Parade. This is a really bright red, and I'm just going to ink up really good my stamps and just stamp and get a lot of ink on them so that they're nice and dirty. This is a block letter, block stamp that says love. Again, just ink that up really good, stamp it a couple of times just to get my stamps really dirty. Okay, so see, I even have some smudge in between. All right, did lots of stamping here. So now I'm just going to get this out of the way. So the Stampin' Scrub, when you open it, you'll find here, if you could see, you have like little raindrops. And right here, you have a little, can you see that? Yeah, a little sun. There you go. All right, so that's exactly what it means. This is your wet side, this is your dry side. Now, the magic here is you need the stamping mist that goes along with the Stampin' Scrub. So all you do is you go on, make sure you're always on your wet side and spritz a little bit. And then you're just going to take your stamp and rub it in your wet side, then come over to your dry side. All right. And if I came back in with my paper and stamped here, my stamp is completely clean and dry. So I'm going to do that again. I have this as my wet side. You can use, once you spray this up, you get lots of uses out of it. Wet side, dry side, and my stamp is totally clean and dry. And yes, you do see the stamp stains with the ink, but that's totally normal. And I can rub my hand on it and nothing is transferring off and it's totally dry. And if you had some stamp on your block, just kind of get down on the sides there and do the same thing. So this is the Stampin' Scrub. Awesome, awesome tool from Stampin' Up, pairing that with the Stampin' Mist to just have on the ready. I keep this right on my crafting table. Now, of course, I do have the cleaning cloths and I take that with me to crops and events, but I always have my Stampin' Scrub and my Stamping Mist right here on my desk. So happy crafting, everyone. Take care now.